In the time of year when everything in nature is changing and promising a new life and new hope after the long, dark winter months, spring is literally a breath of fresh air, and as the days get longer, the nights get shorter, and it starts to feel warmer. Nature responds in a big way. Spring is a symbol of life. The sweet scent of pollen swirls through the air. I had forgotten what mustard's field looked like, sheet upon sheet of blazing yellow with hot golden sunshine pouring down upon them of a dazzling June sky. It thrilled me like a music. The grass so green, the sun so bright. Life seems a dream, no worries in sight. Summer is singing with joy, and the beaches are inviting you with dancing waves. All is all, it was a never to be forgotten summer. One of those summers which come seldom into any life but leave a rich heritage of beautiful memories. And they're going one of those summer which is a fortunate combination of delightful weather, delightful friends, and delightful doing come as near to perfection as anything can come in this world. Rippling crystal water shine like silver to reflect summer's glow, soothing and calming in rhythm, echoing its lyrical flow. Magical music of nature, a symphony of splendid delight. Skies like blue oceans in paradise, birds soaring to grasp full flight. The sun can be your greatest gloom or your greatest comforter, depending on how you view its shine. I love the autumn season, not just for its vibrant colors, but also for the given intimate love. The trees having loved me from a distance throughout spring and summer, with them full crowns, reach out in autumn with intimate on my feet. When I walk upon the fallen leaves, I feel the kisses on my feet. There is something incredibly nostalgic and significant about the annual cascade of autumn leaves. Autumn is a vital gift given by the nature to raise the morale of human being who is worried as they enter the dark days of winter. Leaves are saying soft goodbyes as they come floating down to make a nature's carpet of yellow, red, and brown. Winter is the season of recovery and preparation. Winter, a lingering season, is a time to gather golden moments, embark up a sentimental journey, and enjoy every ideal hour. To appreciate the beauty of snowflake, it is necessary to stand out in the cold. Appreciate where you are in your journey, even if it is not where you want to be. Every season serves a purpose.